We're here today for the very first running of the 12C GT3 car. It's a very exciting day. This is a very exciting project. It's the first racing car to come out of our road car division since the F1 GTR back in the 90s. That was the last McLaren I raced, and this will be the next one. The combined team behind me from CRS and McLaren have taken the very best from the 12C road car and put it into a racing variant, and it's the car you see behind me right now. A very good looking car, and they often say if a car goes as well as it looks, it's going to be a quick car. This looks very fast.